What we have here, folks, are some used kitty litter containers. And by used, I mean these things are empty. So you know what we're going to do with them? Grow some plants. Let me show you.
reasonmachines.com.
So I bought a few pepper plants. We got some Anaheim here. We got 2 plants here. We have a Serrano here. Some spice and some not so spiciness peppers. So one of each is going to go into these kitty litter containers. The kitty litter containers are about 5 gallons, I think maybe 4 gallons in size. So they're the perfect size for growing peppers in a container. So I'm going to show you how to set up the containers, and then we're going to plant them. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need to do is put some drainage holes in this. So I got my drill and my set of drill bits here. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill the holes in the bottom. So let's get started there. And remember, be sure to wear some safety glasses before you start drilling. You don't want shrapnel going in your eyes. So here we have one container. We need this black elevator. Alright, let's just drill it. I'll get it off eventually. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a few drainage holes in the bottom, maybe about 6 to 8 or so, in the high and the low points. Alright, that should be enough drainage holes. You can see it was a lot more than 6 to 8, as I promised. But get rid of all this plastic, throw that away safely, and do the next one. Alright, I'm going to show you how I'm getting the other half of the black thing off of it. So you can see this here, it doesn't come off normally. But if you give it a little leverage, like by standing on it, it'll actually come off. Just like that. Just be sure to be wearing some good shoes while doing that. Moving on to the next part. So next we're going to fill them with some stones for drainage and rinse them clean. Not too many stones. I'm going to fill them with soil here, and then we're going to plant the peppers. Oh no, I spilled. It's like beautiful. Look at this. I got worms living in that shit. No, I lost the worm. Oh, I need you. I need you to. Alright, let's transplant the peppers in now. We got Serrano and we got Anaheim, as mentioned before. I'm going to transplant it now, and then I'm probably going to top it later so I can propagate the pepper. And so the pepper will grow bushier. We tend to do better if you let them grow bushier in containers. I'll set that aside for now. Come on. little guy. There you go. Hey, not even that bad, not even root bound yet. So we will dig a little bit further down. And we'll plant the pepper here. Perfect. That's one plant. Now for this one, I don't want both plants in here. So what I'll do is I'll do my best to separate the roots of these. And then I'll leave one back in here to grow until I can find a bigger container to transplant it into. So let's see how root bound we are. Oh, not even that close to being root bound. So. We are near the point of separation. Just going to wiggle them apart. Do our best. Oh yeah, we're going to get this. So I just cut in the middle here. I have to break a few roots, but it'll be okay. There we go. Perfect. We got them separated. So we will plant. Voila. There we go. We have the two plants separated. Got one in the 1 gallon container, and we got one in the kitty litter container. So because I just separated the roots on those, they're definitely going to need some water to get adjusted to their new containers. Considering today's a kind of a cool night and overcast tomorrow, perfect conditions to adapt to the new container they're in. I'm going to get some water and we will. Also not a bad time to wash my hands. There we go. It'll stand up on its own eventually. There we go. So we got Serrano, and we got Anaheim. They don't look too different at this stage of life, but you know, they'll get there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and hit subscribe if you want to see more gardening videos like this one. See you in the next video.